The nation stands united, believing we can cope. The flags are waving proudly, the people feel the square. Songs of joy and expectation are floating through the air. The heartbeat of a nation is louder than before. Millions standing together as the eagles start to soar. Can you hear the people calling? Super Eagles. Can you hear the voices singing? Super Eagles. Can you feel the love around you? Super Eagles. Nigeria stands behind you. Hey! We are on you. We are on you. Super Eagles, we are on you. From the first match to the final game. Super Eagles, we are on you. Yeah, we are on you. We are on you. We are on you. Nigeria, we believe in you. Gonna make us proud, make the whole world know. Super Eagles, we are on you. Naija. Super Eagles, Super Eagles. To the World Cup. Victory. Every pass and every tackle, every sprint across the field, every challenge that you face, never ever choose to yield. Remember all the people watching from their homes, the dreams of countless millions, wherever